Oh no, baby Kai is still on mute and also his camera is still off. It says here that unable to open. Ah, what are you guys doing? Are you trying to make another star for teacher? Uh-huh. Where's baby Kai? Hi, baby Kai. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Your mom told me that you had a math class. Is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, by the way, what's your favorite subject? Math?
In English.
Oh, and English. So if you're going to choose between math and English, which one are you going to choose and why? Okay. How about you, baby Kai first? Again, if you are going to choose a subject, which one are you going to choose and why? From math and English. Math. Okay, so let's start with our lesson already. Okay, so teacher will be stop. Oh, okay. Are you going to finish the star first? Okay, okay, all done. All right, so now
Yes.
teacher will be sharing the screen. Oh, where's Kai? Okay, Kai is here. The teacher will be sharing the screen in our class tonight. So we are going to talk about page 94. So on the page 94, first we have the word or we have the song about how. Okay, so now let's listen and sing along.
Sleep na mo. Alas 10 na. Sleep na. Dali na, Nicole.
Oh, I cannot play the audio or the video.
Nicole, kami.
Okay, wait, let me try to.
Nicole, Fox, Nicole.
Oh,
Sleep.
I've received a message from. Oh, who's this? Who's sending a lot of stars? Can you guys hear me? Yeah?
Yes.
Why we cannot play this one? Oh, we have a problem with the textbook. It cannot be played. All right, since that can't be played, let's just have a look
What?
with this one.
Page 94. Communicate. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Pen, pencil, eraser,
Eraser,
ruler,
ruler,
backpack,
backpack,
notebook,
notebook,
pen,
pen,
pencil,
pencil,
eraser,
eraser,
ruler,
ruler,
backpack,
backpack,
notebook,
notebook. All right, so now, baby, let's say it again. Pen. Hello?
Well,
Okay, let's say it again. Pen. Can you guys
pencil,
hear?
eraser, ruler, backpack, notebook.
All right, okay, very good. Okay, so now, so let's have this. So we're done with that. So let's already proceed right here. Writing numbers, we can write numbers in words. So for example, we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So what we're going to do is I need you to write the spelling of each number. Okay, right there. And okay, baby Kai, are you there? Baby Kai?
Yes.
Okay, write this one. Write the corresponding spelling of each number, okay? Okay, do not put anything on the screen. And the last number is 20. Baby Rick, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so now Baby Rick will have 21. Oh, no, 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 no. Let's have like this. Okay, so that. Oh, who entered the room? I just accept someone and who was that? It was Kai or Baby Rick? Someone just entered the room and I didn't notice who was it. Okay, so once again, Baby Kai, this will be yours. So you have here the 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So Baby Rick, you'll be on the other side. So you will have a 16 and so on. So right here, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start
Yes.
now. Okay, start now, baby. Okay, how about the 18? Okay, how about the 18, baby?
8.
Mm-hmm. 18. Okay, we have 16, 17, 19, and 20. So how about the 18? And then Kai, we have 11, 12, 13, 14. And the last one is? Okay. Okay, well done. Oh, how about the 11? It's already, what happened to 11, baby? 11 is missing. Okay, what happened to 11? Okay, 11 and 18. Oh, what happened? That's wrong. Okay, can you try to check the spelling? Okay, very good, baby Kai. So first, baby Kai, count
Oh,
your number. Count your numbers, baby Kai. 11.
14, 15.
Oh, what happened to 15? It's missing. All right. Oh, you are mute, baby Kai.
Withdraw
Okay.
9.
Oh, I see. Okay, so now, baby Rick, how about your 18? How about your 18, baby Rick?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. Rick, what happened to your 18, Rick?
So now, ilom na. Okay, just wait. Talikod, talikod. Wala ra na.
13.
All right, so now let's continue. Kuala ni. Okay, so now let's continue already. So let's have a look with this one. Ready? So listen, get ready, listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Page 96. Unit 10. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words.
Katog na dodong.
Listen again and say the words.
Nahagungan
Pot.
sa cellphone.
Stone, Food. sausages,
Stone.
carrots,
Oh, don't do
Onions.
like that.
potatoes, soup, pot, stone, food, sausages, carrots, onions,
Oh, stop doing
Potatoes.
that, baby Rick. What's that? Is
Soup.
that baby Rick or baby Kai? All right, so now let's say it one more time. Let's say pot. Pot. Okay, can you say it? Hello, baby. I cannot hear you. Are you there?
Hey.
Okay, pot. Okay, next one. What is this?
Yes.
It's it is what's this one? The second one? A stone. Okay, how about this one?
It's
It's
a stone.
okay, and the third one? The third one is the third one
Meaningful.
is okay, we have food.
Third one.
How about this
Food,
one?
food, food. Food, food, food.
Okay, how about the fourth one? What is that?
When?
This one, the fourth one, the fourth.
Sausages.
Okay, sausages. Okay, how about this? Baby Kai, baby Rick? Yes, baby Rick, what is that?
Carrot.
Carrots. Yes, baby Rick, you're raising your
Yes.
hand. What is that,
Sausages.
baby? All right, so now baby Kai. Let's do baby Kai first.
Hey, so
Okay,
what
so baby
happened?
Kai,
Sausages.
if you
Carrot.
are going to
Onion.
choose one food, which one do you like to have, baby Kai? Okay.
I want to have. Oh,
Okay, if you are going
I
to
want to have
choose
chicken.
chicken banana, chicken banana. Okay, but if you're going to choose between sausages, carrots, onions, potatoes, and soup, which one do you like to have? Okay, let's start
Sausages
with
and
Kai.
potato.
Oh, sausages and potatoes. How about you, baby Rick?
Yeah, potato.
Okay, how about you, baby Kai?
And carrot.
Sausages and carrots?
Sausages and soup and potato and carrot.
All right, so no one choose the onion. I don't know why. Maybe you just don't like the taste of it. Okay, so what are you
No
going to do
onions.
now? Is I need you to write, okay?
Bye,
You need to
bye,
write what are the food and we eat this and we don't eat this. So baby Kai, I want you to write the we eat this. So this one will be Kai. Baby Kai. Hello. Hello.
Here.
All right, baby Kai, I want you to write the we eat this. Then baby Rick, I want you to write the we don't eat this. Okay? Okay.
Yeah. He don't
Are you
eat
guys ready?
onions. He don't eat onions.
Okay, can you write it, baby?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now. You don't eat
Um.
onions? Okay, what else? Okay, how about you, baby Kai? Where is or where are your answers?
I think
Mm-hmm. What do you think? Okay, how about you, baby Kai?
right. But hey, people can eat stone.
All right, are you done, Rick? Okay, how about you, baby Kai? You don't have your answer yet. Okay, baby Kai, can you hear me? Oh, you have here at the top of the screen. Okay, that's okay.
Get.
Okay, what else? That's all?
Yes, I have one.
All right, all done. So now we have here,
Not
we
yet.
eat this. So we have carrots, potato, food, soup, sausages. How about sausages, baby? You did not write the sausages and the soup.
I received already now.
Oh, where is it?
Just
Okay.
wait for fun.
Ah, okay. So it was all together with the soup and sausages. So we also have, we don't eat this. So we have stone, onions, and pot. Okay, so now let's continue. And thank you so much for that. So first, before you read, thank your food. Yes, baby.
Teacher,
What? What,
see
baby?
someone. Let's come.
What? I cannot hear you well.
Like
All
this.
right.
Wait for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, the spelling of your stone. Okay.
Like this. Come.
Oh, yes, you forgot the letter E of your stone. All right, so for today, baby guys, since we don't have much enough time to extend our class, and I still have a class after this. So for tonight, baby Kai and baby Rick, thank you so much. So let's see another class tomorrow. We don't have a class on morning, so we will be seeing each other again tomorrow evening. Okay?
Okay.
All
Say bye,
right.
teacher.
Goodbye and good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.